didn't make those holes. They found those holes, went in it, and then laid a bunch of eggs. Even though they live in wood, they don't eat wood. They eat sweet things and bugs. And a kind of ant that has wings flies off in case this one runs out of food. It will find a new nest, and the new queen will lay lots and lots of eggs. Hello, I have the mockingbird, the state bird of Florida. Let's go find some. See, there's one now! They can learn up to 200 different songs, and they copy other birds, car alarms, and creaky gates. And that's why they're called the mockingbirds.